Hey guys, here's my new roller coaster. It's my Halloween coaster, even though I'm probably not going to finish it by Halloween, as I just started today. But it uses the old lift and chain and station from my last roller coaster. And it comes down. The batwing, I think is what it's called. And that's all I have right now. And here's what it looks like. Let's see. Yeah, so it's kind of shaky. I need to stabilize it a bit. But tell me what you think, and if you think I should add a few. I am going to add a few more elements, a loop and a few helixes, I hope, if I have enough pieces. But let me know in the comments. See ya.